Hi guys, welcome to the Wei-Hui's video channel. Today, I will show you Wei-Hui's new strip light, cutting free and welding free strip light, with built-in door trigger sensor. The plug switch can be disassembled. The light strip is easy to install. Just fix the buckle with screws and then snap the light strip in. Now, connect the power supply, the strip light will light up. The strip light is on when the door is open, and off when the door is closed. The strip light can be cut arbitrarily to solve the pain point of customizing the length. After cutting, no welding is required, and the strip light can still work normally. After connecting the power interface, the light is soft and protects the eyes. It is suitable for wine cabinets, wardrobes, and closet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can cooperate with you guys in the near future.